Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to provide you a clear and step-by-step guide on how to set up Ticket Tool bot in your Discord server. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can head over to a browser and directly go to Ticket Tool website. So let's just head over there and hit enter, and this is the Discord support bot right here. You can click on it. Now once you click on it, you can select this option of bot invite, or first of all, log in if you're not logged in. So for that, head over to the login page, click on login, and then authorize yourself. So you will be able to access your username, avatar, and banner. You can click on authorize, and then authorize yourself first. After that, you need to select a server where you would like to invite it. For example, I would like to do so in this server. Click on invite, and then you need to follow up the process to authorize your account. So you can select up your server, click on continue. After that, you can grant these permissions on that server. You can even unselect those and click on authorize. And once that is done, confirm this CAPTCHA right here. Now, once it is done, the ticket tool has been authorized and added to your server right there. And once you do so, you can just go over and close this up. Let me just close this up and go to Discord and open it up and go to that particular server. This one right here is mine. And from here, you can start by creating up a channel where users will open tickets. For example, I would like to click on this plus and I would like to name it tickets. After that is done, you can make it private as well. I'm just gonna keep it as it is and click on create channel. And your tickets or support channel has been created, and make sure that the channel is readable by everyone, but restrict sending messages if you want the bot to handle it. And after that is done, you can just go over and you can go to server channel, for example, tickets itself, and type in set up and hit enter. And hit enter. After that, ticket tool prompt will be available here. This prompt will prompt you to select, this bot will prompt you to select category for tickets, role with access ticket naming format like ticket username, etc. So we're just gonna create up a panel. You can select that option right there, and you can set up a name. So I can type in panel. So I'm just gonna type in support and click on submit. After that is done, you can save and continue. And you can select up the rows, what roles you would like to do. I'm gonna select artist and save and continue. And after that is done, you can save and continue. And you can select up a category. So I'm just gonna select up a category, text channels, and then click on save and continue. Yes, save and continue once again, not selected completely, and click on finish. And it has been set up. Once confirmed, ticket tool will create the ticket panel in your chosen channel. I can just go and look out for it. And there we go. This is how you do it. And staff can close tickets with close or provided button. But this is how you usually do it. You can customize it as well. Welcome text permissions with the commands such as config, like this, etc. And hit enter, and you can also archive tickets or log the transcripts automatically. And that is how you do it. So everybody, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.